Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever we publish a new video. Home Remedies presents 7 signs you are eating too much sugar. Life can often be unfair, and one such instance is the fact that we all just love sugar, while it is detrimental to our health. Sugar-related illnesses are on the rise. Diabetes, cardiovascular problems, cancer, and even adrenal fatigue are just some of the serious chronic diseases connected to overindulging in the sweet white poison. The taste of sweet is simply irresistible, but as soon as you learn the effects of sugar in this video today, you will definitely try to stay away from it. So be with me till the end of the video. Number 1. Cravings for sugar, carbs. You are probably a sugar addict if you often crave for something sweet. Sugar causes addictions, and its consumption leads to a chain reaction of sugar cravings. Number 2. Lack of energy and tiredness. If you are constantly feeling tired and you lack energy, you are probably consuming too much sugar. Foods high in sugar temporarily boost the energy, and afterwards you are experiencing a crash and you remain tired throughout the day. Number 3. Weight gain. Sugar is free of fiber and protein, so it does not lead to a feeling of satiety, and the more sugar we consume, the more calories we get. Sugar triggers the release of insulin, which carries the sugar to the body organs in order to be used for energy. Hence, the excessive intake of sugar sends a message to the body to produce more insulin, which causes insulin resistance over time. In that case, the body is not able to react to the normal amounts of insulin and cannot use sugar as needed. Insulin resistance is linked to weight gain and obesity, as well as diabetes, as the pancreas becomes overwhelmed. Number 4. Frequent colds and flu. The high intake of sugar also weakens the immune system and its ability to prevent colds, viruses, flu, and chronic diseases. If you manage to reduce the consumption of sugar, you will lower the risk of these health issues. Number 5. Not the same sweet taste as before. Albert claims that the intake of too much sugar bombards the taste buds by increasing their tolerance to sugar. Hence, you will start craving for even sweeter foods over time. It is difficult in the beginning, but if you succeed to reduce the intake of sugar, you will also lower the tolerance level, and thus you will be satisfied with low sugar amounts. After a certain period of time, some things will become just too sweet for you. Number 6. Foggy brain, especially after a meal. Brain fog is one of the most common symptoms of low blood sugar. The consumption of high sugar amounts rapidly raises and then suddenly drops the blood sugar. Experts maintain that improper control of blood sugar raises the risk of cognitive issues and impairment. Number 7. Skin and feet issues and dark circles under the eyes. The consumed sugar acts as an inflammatory in the body and thus causes various inflammatory skin issues like acne, eczema, rosacea, and excessive dryness and oiliness. If you reduce the intake of sugar, your skin will become clean and soft. Inflammatory effects of sugar might cause plantar fasciitis. This condition leads to pain in the thick band of tissue on the heels and soles. The excessive intake of sweet foods could also cause adrenaline fatigue, which is often manifested by dark circles under the eyes. If you experience any of these symptoms, you should try to limit the intake of sugar as soon as possible in order to improve your health and avoid numerous health issues. If you find this video useful, hit that like button to give it more value, and don't forget to share on your social networks so that other people can benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.